Hello everyone, welcome to LiuGong Solutions series. This is Robin Lee, Business Director from LiuGong Overseas Business Center. Today, I'm very glad to present the LiuGong Solutions for road construction and maintenance. LiuGong Road Construction Solutions excel on three essentials: end-to-end solutions, exclusive patented technology, high compaction efficiency, not only to build the world's best roads, but also to maintain them long into the future. For road construction, no matter is for the subgrade, base layer, or surface layer, we provide the total road construction solution with a full line-up of earth-moving equipment, rollers and pavers. Machines can deal with all types of terrain and conditions and give you, our customers, the reliability you need for optimized performance. For road maintenance, we provide the small excavators, planners, rollers, compact equipment and loaders. For every maintenance operation, building long-term success into every project. Our full line of road construction equipment are used in many road buildings around the world. You will explore more of our equipment and solutions with the LiuGong Solutions series, and we are looking forward to feedbacks from you. Thank you. See you next time.